Hey YouTube, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. I have a video here on a couple of Roaring Fire products here. They sent me their backpack and they also sent me their medical pouch. So we'll just do a real quick overlook of the backpack here and then get down to the medical kit because I know that's what you guys want to see anyway. So quick overview of their tactical backpack here. Kind of a cool design here with the front webbing here. That's the first thing I kind of noticed. Was a cool design there. Has webbing on the side here so you could molly in something on the side. Has nice padding back here. It's kind of a smaller backpack, so you're not going to weigh it down too much. Not going to carry a lot of weight back here, but does have some good padding there. Has inserts back here, so if you want to hide something, you want to put a little small body armor, you could put something small back there. But it's kind of a nice little hiding spot. On this side over here, you're going to have a place expandable water bottle that's going to go into. And then, like I said, the very front here, we have a little small pouch that you could put some kind of identifier on there, let people know it's your bag. Folds down. Nice webbing on the inside. There again, this top part, I don't think I showed you what guys was in here. So I just stuck a knife in there. It's got nice soft material on the inside. Then this front pouch here, I did stick some medical supplies in there, just kind of seeing what we could fit in there. Did some gloves. This front pouch unzips, and then you're able to see what's inside of there. Able to fit a cat tourniquet, compressed gauze, and a small pair of X shears. The main compartment opens up, and a couple different things to stay organized here. On the lid, you have a small zipper pouch, and then on the bottom here is a bigger zipper pouch. There again, it's see-through. I wasn't able to fit my laptop in here, which I was kind of curious about, but a stethoscope and an iPad fits nicely. Once we open it up, we have three compartments back on the back side, kind of a little elastic feel to kind of keep things from falling out. And then we make it to the bottom here. We do have some kind of rubber protection here, some kind of rubber feet, I would say. So if it's sitting on the ground, it's going to keep your bag protected. Overall, it's a nice, good backpack to carry some small items in. If you're going to the office, you're keeping some things in your vehicle, this is a great kit to kind of look at. So now we'll take a look at the medical pouch they sent me. It's kind of a canvas material. The color's kind of cool. I like it. It's something different. What I do like about it on the back side, it has the look of the Vanquest Fat Pack, which I like that. The civilian medical trauma kits are our most popular trauma kit that we sell. And it's made out of the Vanquest Fat Pack. So this looks very similar to that. Has a couple different things that I like. We'll kind of show you here. On the back side, to get started with, is the MOLLE strap. So with the Vanquest 5x8s, 4x6, 7x10s, you have to buy the MOLLE 6 to go with it if you're going to MOLLE into a backpack. And this bag from Roaring Fire already has that availability for us. Has elastic on the side, so we can slide our Gen 7 cat tourniquet in here just fine. Has a little pouch on the front, we can store our gloves. And then has the hook and loop here so we can put an identifier on, let everybody know this is a first aid kit. Pulls down, opens up. So on the sides, we're able to secure some items here. Has elastic loops on the side here as well. I put an MPA, and then on the back, I put a hyphen chest seal. I have a 4-inch pressure bandage in here, and then I put a pro decompression needle here in the small gathering here. You can also put like a Sharpie, things like that as well, and more hook and loop on the side. I do appreciate Roaring Fire for sending me the medical pouch and the backpack for you guys to take a look at. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in checking out their products. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.